Okay, so can we make some noise for some of those poets, though? So if you know anything about lyrical opposition, we branch forth into poetry. We also branch forth into hip hop. That's kind of where our roots were. Can I hear some noise for anyone who knows what hip hop is like? Woo! Couple people. Okay, so that means demonstration time.
Yes.
All right, I don't necessarily need a mic. Not for this. Whoa. Sabotage.
Whoa. Okay.
See, the devil tried to win that round. Didn't happen. But all right, so I want to test the rhythm in the audience, okay? Y'all ready?
Yes.
This is your moment.
This is your moment to shine. You're part of the show now. I'm just playing. So. Something? Hey. Okay, cool. Check it. The kind of dude to prove he is a sharper shooter, the most proven in school. Hey. The kind of dude to prove he is a sharper shooter, the most proven in pool cues. Ready to be confused when he both proven with lyrics used and student the quality of most. So without further ado, I introduce to you OD. He is I, and I'm a wordsmith. Swift with the wordplay, slick with the verbs, make him do just what the verse say. Quick on the melody, get on the beat to help the weak lyrical Hercules. There ain't no stopping this juggernaut with his onslaught. Lyrically, I'm a deity. Physically, I appear to be simple, but I'm a beast that needs some seasoned instrumentals, please. They lack the mental capacity actually needed for bad like me. I'm speaking that literally, meaning there's no competition with me. I breathe the oxygen produced by real rap. I refuse to breathe their toxins in. Straight up, no need for further introduction. I'm assertive with the flow. You'd be absurd to think they bluffing. Hey. Anybody else? Pass the mic.
Go ahead, Alex.
I saw a light shine from the house from the old tops. Knew it was to guide me, for me to guide docs. Grumpy sleeping stores and actors who use props. Leaders of the new school, no pogos but still hot. And we all got a case of the snaps that won't pop. Cause our streets crackle sun up to sun drop. Can't fight for our troops, the system is in knots. Can't tie the system, we're stuck in our own sock. Choosing not to swear, but I do on these rocks. I will fix it for my kid, regardless if y'all stop. Cause I swing a sword bigger than egg clocks. Powered by the word of God from on top. Call him the most high. Also, my pop gave me a second childhood. I promised I won't flop. Bathed in the blood of Christ, it won't flop. Chosen of the body, it's so hot.
Hey.
I got you.
Oh, okay, got it.
Motivation, dedication, inspiration from the nation. LJ 1 and 2, that be my statement. Greatness, lyrical opposition. We in and out, winning, and we staying on top. They said we getting the highest praises every day. I'm saying this is me, this is us. Every day going in God. I said we blessed, and that's every day, and we can't give up. Gotta make it every day, and we gotta stay.
Hey.
Wasn't born wealthy. I ain't foolish in that way, but let me tell you what I recognize. I recognize that the color of my skin gives me a free pass with a lot of things in life. So I'm gonna take advantage and do the good with it. I'm gonna make some changes and make some moves with it. I'm gonna lift up the marginalized. I'm gonna let the people that been hearing lies know the truth. So I'm gonna let them know that they loved. I'm gonna let them know that they loved. That 2,000 years ago, God stepped down and died for them and died for me and died for you. Cause all are one in Christ, all are one in Christ. Doesn't matter what the color of your eyes is, the skin is, our hairstyle doesn't even matter. Cause we are one in Christ, in Christ.
Hey.
She would do that to me. I don't have something written, but I am a Christian. Not off the top of the dome, I keep spitting. This is Main Hills representing. Oh, so you know, east side is where we go. Whenever we kick it hard, people know the boulevard is crazy. Where I grew up, people say it's lazy, but we understand that the grind is deep. Main Houston seen everything from the streets and scenes. Prostitution and human trafficking. I see it every day and in the traffic. When I'm riding by, I be trying to ride inside. I just want to worship in the car, but it's hard when I gotta see this thing I see. Everybody see us isn't easily done. Main Hughes about to show you what's up. About to show you how we getting it from. When I spit this name, about to pass the mic to the left. When I spit it, I ain't like the rest. I ain't like the rest, I'm like the best. When I write, contest me, please. You don't really want to see me on beat. You don't really want to see me bring heat. And I ain't talk about the guns when I come with it. I'm done with it. Punishing the mic when I'm from with it. Matter of fact, there's a big pun in it. Wish she had more metaphors to spit. Matter of fact, let's get some sit-ups in this piece. Let's get some crunches in this. Get some crunches in this. Some push-ups and prayers. Everybody know that when we get in, we have to work out and worship at the same time. I don't come with the same rhymes. Display mine. Came on a whole new plot. New spot. What you got?
Make some noise! Freestyle!
No, it's not done. It's not done.
It's over.
Done. Yo, make some noise for Lyrical, yo. Hey.